Happy Mother's Day. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the latest kit that we've launched for Mother's Day, which is the Wax On Workshop's EMOJI charm making kit. And it's designed for kids to create fine jewelry to celebrate Mother's Day. And inside the kit are a bunch of really easy to use, simple elements that I'll walk through now with you and show you how to make a kit. I'll run through the materials inside your kit and then we can get started. When you open up your kit, you'll have everything you need to make a beautiful silver charm necklace. And the idea is that we've had a really, really difficult year. It's been like no other, and we've been at home a lot. So making this jewelry together is a way to not only have fun, but to express some feelings and emotions around the last year. That's why we chose these EMOJI charms, because they are a language that we all speak these days. So in the center of your kit are all your charms, and they all are just a little wooden stamp with an emoji pattern on the front. To the one side you have your clay, which will turn directly into your silver charm, and over on this other side you have a bail, which is basically the connector that will connect your charm to the string, the wax cord that you'll get to select. Up top here you have a cork, and this can be used almost as a small rolling pin for your precious metal clay. And then up here is a simple toothpick that you can use to create pattern, you can draw with, you can even poke a hole through your charm if that's something you want to do. So that's all you need to know about the Wax On Workshop's new Mother's Day EMOJI charm kit for a really fabulous Mother's Day where you get to connect with your kid, make something that mom is really going to love for a long time, is super versatile and can be cast in gold, and you can also set little birth gemstones in there as well. All this information plus more is available at our website, www.grayscow.com. And you can just look for the hashtag GraysCowWow on our Instagram, and you'll see plenty more pictures and images of finished final charms. Thank you and have a wonderful Mother's Day. So you can get started by taking your clay out of your kit and opening the bag and using the baggie as a work surface. You can take your clay out, and if it feels a little tough to your finger, just add a little drop of water and you can let it sink in. While that's getting moisturized, you can pick out the EMOJI charm that you'd want to make. I think I'm going to do a heart because I think Mother's Day is full of love, and I love my mom and I love my daughter. So I'm going to do a heart, and all you do is really, you can roll up your clay and change the shape, but it's really formed for you to just take your stamp, press down, and you don't want to wiggle around too much, and voila, we have just created a heart emoji stamp. Now at this point you are welcome to add the bail. A bail is this little loop that connects your charm to the wax cord. You can add that by opening up that baggie and just pushing it into the clay wherever you'd like the top to attach. If you don't want a bail and you like the look of a charm simply on cord, you can take your toothpick and poke a hole in the wax. And then when we cast your charm, there'll be a hole that you can put your wax cord through. It's a really simple, easy to do craft that kids can do. It takes about 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how much shaping work you want to do and how much texture or detail you might want to add to your charm. Other things in your kit include a cork and a toothpick. These are two really simple tools that you can use to shape and form your EMOJI charm into whatever you'd like. Basically, the cork is used like a rolling pin. So to use that, you'd want to put your charm back in the bag. If you think you want a thinner charm, you can simply go like so, and you will squish out your pendant, or your charm rather. Then after you do that, you could say, maybe I want to have a hole in my charm so that it connects to my cord that way. And the way you can do that is by simply poking a hole in your charm. When it comes back to the studio, I'll make sure the hole is the right size so that the cord can fit through. And voila, you've made yourself your charm. Well, that's all. Thank you for taking the time to have a creative, hands-on, fine jewelry making experience with me for Mother's Day. It's been super fun being here with you. And before I go, I'd just love to show you a few of the charms that we've already had some of our kid carvers make. There's some really fun emojis, really just expressing how this past year has been for everybody. So we're really delighted to share this with you, and we're here if you have any questions. You can always visit grayscow.com for more info, or visit our Instagram at Grayscow Jewelry, and we'll also have plenty of information posted there in our IG stories and on IGTV. So thanks again, happy Mother's Day, and have fun making jewelry together.